Poor acceleration, hesitation, hard starting, or rising fuel consumption are often signs that your variable valve timing system is no longer operating correctly. This replacement VVT solenoid is professionally engineered to restore proper engine timing control, matching the function and performance of the original equipment part on specific vehicle applications. Designed as an ideal replacement, this VVT solenoid is manufactured from high-quality materials to ensure durability, consistent operation, and a long service life under demanding engine conditions. Precision engineering allows it to regulate oil flow accurately, helping your engine regain smooth power delivery, improved throttle response, and optimal fuel efficiency. It performs like original equipment quality, but at a more competitive price, making it a smart and cost-effective repair solution. Each solenoid has undergone vehicle testing to confirm correct fitment and reliable performance once installed. This reduces guesswork during installation and helps ensure that the engine management system can relearn and operate as intended. Many drivers report noticeable improvements after replacement, including smoother starts, reduced hesitation, and a return to normal gas mileage after a short driving period. Application-specific design is critical for proper results, so using the garage tool to confirm compatibility with your exact make, model, and trim level is strongly recommended before purchase. With correct fitment, installation is straightforward and mirrors the original factory component. If your vehicle is showing symptoms related to faulty valve timing and you want a dependable fix without paying dealership prices, this VVT solenoid is a reliable choice. Check the link in the video description to confirm compatibility and purchase today, and be sure to subscribe to the channel to discover more trusted automotive parts and maintenance solutions that keep your vehicle running at its best.